So we're getting amongst the $2 casting now. Everything's been more or less stripped off it. We've just got to take the X slide off the Z and sort out the casting. Yesterday we managed to paint it all up and it's all ready to accept the rails, ball screws and the main bulk of the castings. So today's all about the $2 casting. We're going to do the X onto the Z and rebuild all the internals, bearings and seals. One rail on, torqued up to the positive edge, and we're just going to clock out the other one on the floating edge. So we've done as much as we can in the day. The X has been built, the fiddly bits with the rail and the ball screws and the preload and the bearings, so that takes time. The last bit you've just seen took a couple of hours. Still a few bits and pieces to put on, pipe work to put in. We'll get onto that tomorrow.